Today we are going to write 10 sentences on Statue of Unity. The Statue of Unity is the world's tallest sculpture. It is 182 meters in height. It is built in memory of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It is located in the state of Gujarat, India. It is situated on the Narmada River. It was inaugurated in 2018 on 31st October. It is made of concrete, steel and bronze. It was designed by the Indian sculptor Ram V. Sutar. The statue has an inbuilt gallery. The base of the statue has an exhibition hall. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.